In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do the new action figure trend in Nano Banana. We'll create that glossy, collectible action figure look using Google Gemini, and I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along confidently. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your image and your prompt to hit that trendy Nano Banana style. First, open Google Gemini in your browser. You'll land on the main workspace where you can chat with the model and access creative tools. If you see a landing page, just proceed to the app view so you're ready to build an image. Next, click on Tools. This opens a panel with creative options designed for visual workflows. We're heading straight to the image generator, so keep an eye out for the option we need. Then click on Create Image. This brings up the image creation canvas where you can combine a reference photo with a descriptive prompt. It's the best place to shape that stylized action figure aesthetic. Now click on the plus icon. This is how you attach a reference image. A clear, well-lit photo works best. Aim for a simple background, good contrast, and your subject framed from head to mid-torso or full body, depending on the figure look you want. Sharp, high-resolution images give the model more detail to work with. Click on Upload Files and select your photo. JPG or PNG is perfect. If you have multiple shots, pick the one that shows your pose cleanly and avoids heavy shadows. Keep file sizes reasonable so the upload is quick and the tool responds smoothly. Next, click on the prompt area. This is where you'll describe the Nano Banana action figure vibe. Be specific about materials, packaging, lighting, and color. The more clearly you describe the look, the closer the result will be to your vision. Think about plastic sheen, articulated joints, and the mini, display-ready feel. Type in your prompt. You can pause the video here to copy this example and customize it. Turn the uploaded photo into a stylized action figure in the Nano Banana trend. Glossy plastic texture, subtle mold seams, articulated elbows and knees, clean studio lighting, vibrant yellow and teal accent palette, posed in front of a miniature blister card package with bold graphic styling, sharp focus, preserve the subject's likeness. Tweak wording to match your style and avoid trademarked logos or text. Finally, click on Generate. Give it a moment to process. If the first result isn't quite there, refine your adjectives or adjust colors and pose details, then generate again. Small prompt changes can make a big difference. That's it. Follow these clicks, fine-tune your prompt, and you'll have a crisp Nano Banana action figure image ready to share.